Let's talk about life-changing money, the kind of money that can turn dreams into reality and make the impossible possible. And how meme coins can make it happen. These quirky, internet-born currencies have the potential to transform small investments into fortunes. Imagine turning a small investment into 100 times more. Picture your portfolio skyrocketing overnight, thanks to the viral nature of meme coins. It's happened before, and it could happen again. History has shown us that these coins can surge in value unexpectedly, creating overnight millionaires. The real challenge? Timing. Too early, you wait. Too late, you lose. The key is to find that sweet spot where opportunity meets preparation. Success comes from understanding crypto cycles. Meme coins ride the wildest waves, but their surges follow bigger market moves, especially Bitcoin and Ethereum. By studying these patterns, you can anticipate the next big leap. Right now, October 2025, the market is waking up. Capital is rotating, setting the stage for meme coins to explode. The signs are all there if you know where to look. Meme coins aren't just jokes, they're cultural movements with massive online communities that can send prices soaring. These communities are powerful, and their collective actions can drive significant market changes. Driven by hype and social media, they're volatile but offer explosive growth you won't find elsewhere. The buzz can create rapid price movements, making timing even more crucial. We're on the edge of what could be the biggest meme coin season ever, with late 2025 to mid-2026 as the golden window. This period could be a game changer for savvy investors. This guide will show you what to watch for, when to act, and how to do it safely. We'll provide you with the knowledge to navigate this volatile market with confidence. We'll learn from the past, analyze current signals, and spotlight coins like POPCAT, WIF, and POPCAT. These coins have shown potential and could be the next big thing. The goal: give you the tools to make smart, calculated moves, not just gamble. With the right strategy, you can maximize your gains while minimizing risks. Get ready to catch the next massive wave. Let's dive in and explore the exciting world of meme coins together. To understand where the crypto market might be heading next, let's rewind to 2021, the unforgettable year when meme coins truly went mainstream and captured the world's attention. It was a time when the boundaries between internet culture and finance blurred, and a new wave of digital assets took center stage. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu were the undeniable stars of the show, setting the stage and showing us the blueprint for meme coin mania. Their meteoric rise inspired countless imitators and drew millions of new investors into the crypto space. Dogecoin, which started as a lighthearted joke, exploded in value thanks to its passionate online community and a series of high-profile tweets from celebrities and influencers. Suddenly, what began as a meme became a movement. The rally really kicked off after Bitcoin reached new all-time highs and began to cool off. As profits were taken from Bitcoin, traders started rotating their gains into riskier assets, first Ethereum and then inevitably meme coins. This capital rotation is a crucial part of the story. Big gains in meme coins only came after Bitcoin, and Ethereum had already made their moves. It's a pattern that savvy investors have learned to watch for. Shiba Inu took the hype to a whole new level, delivering jaw-dropping returns for those who got in early and believed in the project before it hit the mainstream news. The lesson here? Patience and timing are everything. The biggest winners were those who bought early, before the hype reached fever pitch, and waited for the spotlight to shift their way. They recognized a repeating pattern. Money flows down the risk curve as the market cycle matures, moving from established coins to riskier, high-potential assets. Fast forward to today, and we're seeing similar patterns start to emerge once again. Meme coins are back in the spotlight and new contenders are rising every week. History doesn't repeat itself exactly, but in the world of crypto, it often rhymes. The echoes of 2021 are hard to ignore as we watch the current market unfold. The roadmap laid out in 2021 is still guiding us, pointing the way as we move into 2025 and 2026. The lessons learned then are more relevant than ever. The next meme coin supernova could be just around the corner, waiting for those who are prepared to spot the signs and act before the crowd catches on. So, what's happening in October 2025? The setup looks a lot like the last big rally. Bitcoin is dominating, attracting most of the capital and attention. This is always the first phase of a bull market. Altcoins, including meme coins, are quiet and losing value against Bitcoin. This is the accumulation phase. The real action starts when Bitcoin dominance drops, usually after Bitcoin peaks and trades sideways or corrects. That's when investors move profits into Ethereum, then into other altcoins, and finally into meme coins. This capital rotation is the engine for the next meme coin boom. All signs point to this process kicking off by late 2025. Watch the Bitcoin dominance chart. When it trends down, the altcoin and meme coin season is about to begin. Timing your entry here is crucial. The window for explosive meme coin gains is opening soon. Be ready. Let's break down the likely timeline for the next meme coin explosion, step by step, so you can see exactly how the cycle tends to unfold and where the biggest opportunities might appear. October-December 2025 marks the final accumulation phase. During these months, Bitcoin will dominate the headlines, drawing most of the attention and capital. Meme coins, on the other hand, will likely remain quiet and overlooked. This is your last best chance to buy low before the hype returns. Smart investors use this period to quietly build their positions while the rest of the market is distracted. Use dollar-cost averaging to steadily accumulate coins like PEPE, WIF, and POPCAT. By spreading out your buys, you reduce risk and avoid trying to time the exact bottom, which is nearly impossible. In January and February 2026, Bitcoin will likely reach its peak and then start trading sideways. As Bitcoin dominance falls, capital begins to rotate into Ethereum and soon after, into meme coins. This is the classic setup for the next explosive phase. Early sparks will appear, a handful of meme coins start to pump, signaling that the meme coin season is officially kicking off. These first movers often set the tone for what's to come. March-April 2026 is when peak mania hits. Capital floods into meme coins, driving parabolic moves and wild price action. This is the window where 100x gains can actually happen, but it's also when risk is at its highest. Hype will be everywhere. Social media, news, and group chats will be buzzing, emotions will run high, and FOMO will be at its peak. That's why you need a clear profit-taking plan before the mania hits. Decide in advance how and when you'll take profits, so you're not making decisions in the heat of the moment. Accumulate quietly, watch for the first pumps, and be ready for the spring frenzy. The early bird gets the worm, and in crypto, being early is everything. This is the most speculative part of the market. Timing and discipline are everything. It's easy to get swept up in the excitement, but sticking to your plan is what separates winners from losers. Don't chase pumps, position early, and plan your exit. The best gains go to those who anticipate the move, not those who react to it. The biggest profits always go to those who prepare before the crowd arrives. If you wait for confirmation from the masses, you're already late. Stick to your strategy and avoid emotional decisions. The market will try to shake you out, but discipline is your edge. Remember, the window for life-changing profits is short. Don't miss it. These opportunities come and go in a flash. Be smart, be early, and know when to get out. The key is to act with conviction, not hesitation. That's how you win the meme coin game, by preparing ahead, staying disciplined, and executing your plan when the time is right. Every cycle has a new meme coin leader. This time, it's Brett. Brett lives on the Base blockchain, built by Coinbase, giving it access to millions of users and easy buying for newcomers. It's not just another animal coin. Brett's roots in the Boys Club comic and its connection to Pepe the Frog give it instant cultural clout. The Brett community, known as Brett's crew, is relentless, driving hype and keeping the coin in the spotlight. Community is everything in meme coins, and Brett's is one of the strongest. With a market cap far below Dogecoin and SHIB's peaks, Brett has room to run. The story, the chain, and the community all line up for a potential 100x move. Brett is the one to watch this cycle. Brett isn't alone. Smart investors diversify. On Solana, WIF and POPCAT are the top contenders. WIF, a simple dog-in-a-hat meme, built a viral community and pulled off huge stunts like the Las Vegas Sphere ad. POPCAT, based on a viral cat video, has a devoted following and endless meme potential. Both coins thrive on Solana's fast, low-fee network, making them accessible and attractive to new users. As Solana grows, WIF and POPCAT are set to capture a wave of new capital. They're essential picks for a meme coin portfolio. Don't sleep on these rising stars. Knowing what to buy is only half the battle. You need a plan. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Meme coins are high risk, high reward. Step 1. Accumulate early, before the hype. Use dollar-cost averaging to spread your buys. Use wallets like Phantom for Solana or MetaMask for Base, and buy on decentralized exchanges. Step 2. Hold through the volatility. Don't panic during dips or get greedy during pumps. Trust your research and stick to your plan. The biggest gains go to those who hold for months, not days. Step 3. Take profits systematically. Sell portions as your investment grows. Don't wait for the perfect top. For example, sell your initial investment when you double your money, then take more profits at 5x, 10x, and beyond. This way, you lock in gains and reduce risk while still having upside. Discipline separates winners from gamblers. Be early, be calm, and be smart. That's how you win in meme coins.